wish. I wish. But anyway, guys, what we did that talk about now? Coco talk about what we that talk about. Alright, first thing first, right? You guys know some love and I don't. A lot of you guys maybe think in a certain way. I love it. Right? A lot of people think in a certain way. So today, I watch one video where Anna says certain things on the video. Let me tell you something about Anna. Right? Anna is a person like this, make a block you. Right? Anna not really share her mother. You understand what I say? Anna not really share her mom. You see the video? Alright, thank you. No cussing. We not do that. You know, see me take time to change. So anyway, I see the video. So my time, you know, she do some things. It make me feel away. Thank you, moderator. Big up yourself for that. I need that this while ago. I need that. Big up your moderator will do that for me. So my time, you know, I see certain things and I feel away and I not say nothing. Because we have to work on keeping the family together. Anna is a jealous girl. She don't like people around her mother. She don't like women, especially strangers around her mother. She don't like Chanel around her mother. Straight. She can't tell her that straight. She not gonna hide it. Right? She soon come back though. Oh, so we're not talk about Anna. So let me start over. Duke, if your comment section get messy, lock it down. Alright, please. If your comment section, God bless, big up yourself. If your comment section I get messy, lock it down. So guys, as we say, I inbox you, sexy. Alright, sexy. Alright, I got you. So when me tell you now with Anna, right? As when me said, Anna not too like, you know, certain people around her mother. Anna really jealous when it come on to people around her mom. Right? So the end of the day, I can block you. You need to go on that blacklist. Yeah, Wilbert. We can't see that you use people's name. Duke, turn off the comment section. I don't think I want to deal with that comment here. Thank you, baby. Turn off it. This a distract me from talk. Lock down in comment. I not go see nobody in my comment section that say certain things. I go want to block you. As I see you say it, I go want, yeah, lock it down. I'm alright, so I'm good. No, as I say, guys, right? I see the video. And when I see the video, I not lie to you. I feel a way about it, what she said in the video. And I wonder in myself to why she has said them something here, because the whole way I want from our talk. What we do is we come out our business, meaning that we don't do nothing we offend her. We don't do nothing for upset her. You understand me? I want to jar in the things and what we're doing, because as a type of person, she different. Right? So the thing is this, we are trying to work out with family difference, meanwhile we depend on the media, right? But when we see the video, and I see she says some things in the video, I not lie to you, it hurt me and it burned me. It burned me as in I want to talk my mind. And yet still I don't want to ruin the relationship again when I go push her away from me. But I don't rate that. You see me? Because at the end of the day, her sister is a big woman. Her sister is 19 years old. She make her own decision. You understand what I say? Them continue to say certain little things. Mika Boo don't tell them already. I would don't talk it a million times. She and Jayden never did that. She and Jay never did that. We do with skits. We do with style. The whole way are one team. She says she don't like Jayden. She don't like Jabass. Me nah force her to come around Jayden. Me nah force her to come around Jabass. But them are my company. Them are my friend. Right? My friend now gonna be fear friend. You understand me? A fear friend now gonna be my friend. Right? So when she come and attack them type of things here, I feel a way about it, because at the end of the day, you know, so at the end of the day, we depend on the internet and the whole we are work together. Why are you saying that? Or why you gonna feel a way? Because you see me amongst a girl, them and you gonna feel a way and started to drop certain type of word. You don't have to do that. I don't think she have to do that. I don't want to go deep down in the talking and go talk nothing. And you get what me I say? You say me a dry it out of contacts. But to me, most of it, you use it, you work off of jealousy. Because we are one team. If we are one team, you're supposed to take up a phone and call in and say something where you don't like, or say, yo, I don't like what you're doing, change up that and do this and do that. But if we are one team, you're not supposed to work against your team, Anna. The whole of we are come together. Me can work with Redance. Red answer somebody can work with. I mean, never did know in idea of my life me would have come for like Daniel. Me can work with Daniel. Me can go out with Daniel. Daniel understanding. But you, sometimes it's like, you take things too far. You understand what I say? Sometimes you take things too far and you're in your own world. Me and you different. I'm in a rate that way you open up your mouth and say. Because at the end of the day, you're talking like say me push on somebody like me hook up people together. Whole heap of people have it for say it. Right? Thank you, baby. A whole heap of people have it for say it. Right? But a lot of you guys do not know. She and Jayden not there. But you just now go believe it. Right? She and Jayden are friend. And to me can't tap them from be friend. Even what they say to her, I say, Mika, don't you know talking with him. You see what happened on the media? I'm rooted. I told them a friend again. Them are a friend. They're not in a relationship. Cut off. I go back and look on the video because I don't want to make no mistake. You can't hear me, guys? You can't hear me? You too, you look on the video? Alright. You hear what she say? She say in the video say, because certain woman fresh. You understand me? In jump round and move round me. Forget such woman daughter. Right? Our sister she attacking her. Our own sister she attacking her. Right? And next she go say, a man, after him she said that the one that gets steal out. In jump and go for TT. You understand what I say? Me the thing say, yo, we are work together. That me not get it when I say one team. You understand me? And there's more what she's saying in the video. Right? The thing is this. It's like the end of the day, come like say you're on your stream and you don't know what to talk about because there's so many things about your thing where you can't talk about. Right? A TikTok she do it, pan. Right? There's so many things where she can't speak about herself. You understand what I say? With you and Daniel. So there's no need for you to sit down. You understand what I say? And do what you do. There's no need for that. Because the thing is this. Such man come round me. Jayden come round me. Jayden link up with your sister. Right? The two of them are friends. That have nothing to do with you. You get what I say? The man there you know, boomson, whatever, and him jump round a wall away. Man they run a wall away. A man and TT no there. See TT and him man they run this so. See then they run this so. Right? I don't know if I feel she feel a way. Yeah, yesterday she do it. I don't know if I feel she feel a way. Make sure I taught them something here. You understand what I say? See TT run this so with our man. TT and Jayden no there. You understand what I say? The people them they run this so together. That no have nothing to do with we. I don't feel we business that. You understand what I say? But you come out and you do all of these things I talk about. Let me tell you something. I'm not going to mash up my friendship with Jayden and Jabass because of how you think. At the end of the day, I'm not going to mash up my friendship. Your friends are your friend. My friend are my friend. You understand what I say? Live your life and do what you have to do for yourself. Regardless, me, I'm going to love you. But do not try to come and pre people and say certain things about people. You understand what you don't know? You understand me? Because shame your big thinking, mama. Shame who? If anybody shame me, she not have to come around me. Go suck your mother and come off of this pussy. From me no shame myself, me alright. And see me rest up in them, them no shame me, them happy for me. Me push out my all. Remember me tell her that. Yeah, me tell her all if me there road I sell me pony and I put food on them table, them nah go shame me. Remember me tell her that. Yeah. So see if she not really and truly into me, and that me continue and say because I not understand. There's no reason for she come out and I say them here something. Jayden and Jabass now use me. It's enough for uno now wicked pan this blood clot. And moderator, I want to know. Moderator, them the people that you for black from outer comment section. Them are dirty people that you for black. Jabass and Jayden now use me. A man have them style, instead of them use me, them teach me. You see me? There's many ways how I say blood clot Jayden help me when enough for uno pan this not help me. I mean I have to talk where dog do. You see me? Jayden, I want somebody make sure say me put on my foot and start my house. Jabass, I want somebody will keep me on my feet and make me know say me worth it. You understand what me I say? Me stress out. Jabass tell me come off my phone, make me and your chat, girl. You see me? Them man there, yo, me never can, yo, better me shut my mouth. You see, enough for uno just don't want to see good people around me. And that, you know. Because many times they run people who can't help me, who just drag me down, chat me, criticize me. Right? But my people around me now will look out for me and help me in a way how them can. And you have a problem with that? Eh? You have a problem with that? Me now go left Jayden friendship. I mean, yo, unless Jayden come out, unless Jayden walk up him out and say, me no want no more French from Annie. Jayden make you feel now myself like Jayden, I want to me pitney them. Like him, I want to me pitney them and him a little troublemaker one, but he love his mother. I saw Jayden make me feel. You see me? Jagga are the gyalis. Be a problem, Jagga him give me. Thank you, baby. Jagga are the gyalis. You understand what I say? Mika-boo are the little quiet. You know, the way they call that little one day. They look up quiet, prissy one. You get what I say? Right? I don't know. Them call her the Lulu ants. Zoe are the champion at everything. Jack of all trade. Everybody have them position. Alex are the sweet boy. You understand what I say? Jabass are my mix up auntie. Remember me tell you, when we're ready, we mix up and we chat and we laugh and we put one another in a trouble. And we still can't find where we are out. Chanel are the one who mad over her man and no girl can take her man. Titi, I wanna the Lulu one them. You get me? Titi is so the Lulu more while you have to put Titi back in her sense and say, hey girl, put your head by your body. A wall away play with position. All of them are mine. So what? So what? None of them are perfect. But at least them have sense to try push themselves in life. Me not go left Jabass company for nobody. I mean, I go left Jayden company for nobody. Unless Jayden and Jabass come out and say something about me. See you next look at Dululu one year. This wake up. Watch him. You told Dululu. Watch it. You told Dululu. Tell him not. Tell Dululu. You told Dululu. I see. The thing is this also crazy. It's like God is a true God because people are look upon this, but oh, this slack. But look how we live good. Look how we live good. We're happy. Me go around this right now, go tell them some bad word, I be a laugh, them a laugh off of me and run me out of the room. Look how we live. Only did one we live like a puss and dog and a tear for one another head. We're not doing that. The whole way I try to look life. You understand what I say? Love you, baby. Right? The only thing me see, Anna, I just feel like say, you just want to follow the crowd. I feel like say you just want to follow the crowd. You understand what I say? You choose sim. Right? I feel like Anna just want to follow the crowd. And you just stuck yourself in a one little circle. You don't want to let nobody in. You understand what I say? And that is it. Stay strong, Annie. I don't want to say much because I know more what I can say. But don't come out here and try to come show some shades. Power. And at the end of the day, you talk to me on the phone and act like we're good, bro. You see me? Don't do that. Because watch this now. If Red Dance there so. If you give Red Dance a chance. I mean, say most of the thing are you kind of hold back Red Dance. Because I end up getting to know Daniel. Daniel have potential. But you're not free up your fucking self. And she's jealous. And she need to stop it. Red Dance have a whole heap of potential. Me I tell you, if you don't ever know. Red Dance have potential. You see me? But you stuck in a one little box. One little teeny box. So. And you not give the man the chance to grow. You see the DNA there, you give that Daniel that chance there. And just let go and believe. Hey, Daniel, I got build a mansion over your blood clot head. You hear me tell you? Daniel, I got build a blood clot mansion over your head, girl. It's just that you have trust issue. You have trust issue, Anna. Right? And you do not let go. You hold on upon the past from last year, the other year, and the year. You get me? Right? And if you let go, stop, Annie. No, but she need to let go. She need to stop. Why you gonna tell me stop it when she gonna make me feel away? Why is she gonna do that because of jealousy? She cannot do that because me I work around everybody. I'm working around everybody. Why am I if you just take them and hurt me? You don't think me feel away with all these things what she say? Moderator, black people, if the comment section get too heavy, take them down. Right? That is so disgusting what she do. You're in front of a person and you will act like you love them and you smile with them. But you turn your back now, you just give one different thing. Me not like people say so. If me and your friend tell me in front of your face, hey girl, me not like you, and you go suck your mother. But later on, me and you that moderator, I don't want to deal with no comments. I'm serious. Right? Well, I'm a sub chat. Chat. Alright, moderator, make it clear. You see thing what I hate, I don't like a person where you can't talk. Which part me like? Me there saw me talk, but before you come here, I go tell you when like me there saw me talk, but before you come here, I go tell you when me feel like when my gone this and now she will start talk. Right? Talk to me in front of me and say what you have to say. My life and my life, Anna life and her life. Me not inveigle in her life. Me learn now how to deal with Anna. Me no business with certain things. Them a man and woman, them love them one another. You understand what I say? Me just want to know say she not hurt herself or him not hurt her. That's all I want to know. You see from me know say him not hurt her and she not hurt him. Me no want to know nothing more. Enough for my business. But throwing shade for me, and that not gonna work for me. I mean, now go stop deal with Jabass. Me ask you a question, Chanel. Come here, me bumbo clot. No, look over there, son. Now.
Chanel, you don't say that here,
Look here.
You don't hear. This Tuesday.
Tajay, let me tell you something. So I run them. Tajay, what is? Guys, I put on my phone. Soon come. Me rooted. No. Chanel, what we do? Guys, no, look here. Give me this. As dirty stick. Hey, girl, me lick. Yeah, next blood. Chanel, one in me. Give me the bottle of water. The material. No, material is true. Give me a bottle of water. No, give me bottle of water. Give me bottle of water. No, give me bottle of water. Internet job. Now kind of pity them here. They eat out my things. Guys, don't tell me if the internet I pick up now, please. Sid. Me don't know if you don't like them something, you know. But it's when I buy this in my own look a private. Eh? Read my comment, Annie. Where they? Where comment? Read my comment. Where comment there? Read my comment. I just try a different... Just try a different approach. Hey, look here. Me not try no more approach. This the things I'm put on my bed. I put this on my bedside because when me day in my bed, me take this and me just start eat it. So I start remember a lot of things. This is a memory chips. And these little tough foot girl them that eat out the whole of the things. Hey, I will mash up them, you know. I'll jagger in it too. Guys, I'm gonna keep this right here. So. And I read from the top. Read from the top so much. Chanel, come here. Yes, a sub. And yes, say. Okay, so it's take a long time to believe.
Welcome to your some chips.
Now come. Okay, me understand. But me not lie to you, me can't take so much disrespect. Me can't take so much disrespect. She continue to disrespect me and people want me for always just be person. Me ask you a question, right? It's Chanel here. Jabass treat me anyway?
No.
Jayden treat me anyway?
No.
When I talk about pan media, how them will fuck around and do things. But in person, how them two person they treat me?
They're a really nice person. Them really nice. And how them deal with people is not how them talk to you on the media.
Okay. Me not like that. Thank you, baby. Me not, Chanel, I no got at food. Me never eat last night.
You never eat? Where food there?
It down the on the table and at the chicken.
You can't eat no food because she cook. Yeah!
Chanel, pass the back of water. The man some water for you. Come,
Come, get.
Me say, Titi, if you lick me this man, me bust it. Me bumbo. Titi, you lick me down my back. Titi, you really lick me. Titi, come here. Come for chips. Come for chips, Titi. You want to?
No, I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry?
No.
You eat last night?
Yes.
Come here.
Hour.
Come now. You don't want the chips?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, no worry. I catch you. I call my phone and check. I said the phone and check. I'm licking your back with the back layer. Go on downstairs. Because I want to make me have to clean back the kitchen. I want to know when I clean the kitchen last time. Alright. Tell you something. You see, live with me. Okay, Richard. Okay. Alright. I'll talk to Anna off here about this only, Mama. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let me switch out. We talk about something else different. We talk about something else. No problem. No problem. I do that. We talk to her off here. I'm gonna tell you something, right? I see that team here, a one team. A one team. Unless one teammate decide they don't want day night team no more. You understand me? I always want something like this. I always want a family like this. You get me? And God just a bless me, make more people just a pop up in my life. Right? I love the team what I have. You understand me? God just a put things in place and I feel good. You understand me? We're going to get there. Everything I going to get on track. It's just working process. Everything I going to just fall in place. That's the whole thing. Everything I going to fall in place. I'm telling you. That's how the Almighty work. In powerful. So you see this one I have right now, me love that. Me have two daughter-in-law down a kitchen and look after some breakfast now. Them can play with me, we ramp, we laugh, me can tell them my mind. Me and my son did him happy. Me know how Jagger good. You get me? When Jagger get mad, he get mad. Me have Zozo, me have the rest of them. I want all of them on my foot. I want one big house with everybody. That's my dream. My dream is to have a nice house. Everybody have their room. You understand what I say? Mommy in the kitchen, prepare food for everybody. Everybody I do them own thing and I work and I keep bringing them money. I build them life. You understand what I say? Nothing no wrong with having a dream and just go out fight and go there and live life. A lot of people are stuck in a one freaking community. One community and don't even know the airport. Eh? You know them type of feelings there? How it feel? You have all your mother never know another parish. You understand what I say? Your mother never got airport yet trash born. You understand me? You alone are two daughter-in-law. You understand what I say? At them the life that me would I want for myself and want for others. Because I remember one time, you know, when me used to itch up in a house with how much pitney I grow. It's like in myself, I say, whoa, me never go. Me live in a Jamaica. I have 14 parish in a Jamaica. Me hardly even know two of them good. You understand what I say? And if enough big woman there so for talk it truth. Enough for uno even got the 14 parish them in a Jamaica. Maybe I'll want 2 or 3. Uno not go nowhere. Uno just stuck in a one little circle. Uno not enjoy uno life. Have different experience. Communicate with different people. You understand me? And that is such a joy because you cannot lock out people from your life. No matter what going out there. You understand? So you see, my belief different from anybody else one belief. You hear me tell you? And there's certain things we have to go let go for letting people. You understand? Because you can't have it up in your heart and say, "Cho, that person a bad mind, that one a wicked. Yo, me no trust people, you know, so me not go deal with nobody." Brother, you have to let go and let in people. And so you're going to know the good different from the bad. You understand? We not say you're going to make them get too close, but you have to communicate. You understand me? You have to have different type of experience. Go out there. Smile. You know how much a man, may I tell you something, and it has sound shake up, you know. But you know how much man pass off on the earth and save up a bag of money and never enjoy it. Sound stupid done. See, all a man I work all the years of his life, I save. All they buy a good shoes. All they buy a good suit. Always a save and make sure say, yeah, money have to save. But when you ever take your time out and say, yo, I need to go enjoy myself, you know. You understand me? You don't go live once. You look for yourself and say, you know, say, me never go have that look experience. I don't say, me I go down so go do one look rock climbing. You know, say, me I go down at that guest house because every day me see tourists I go over there. Go on like them better than me. Me a tourist too. And me I go over there to go cock up my foot. I want to eat from the way you call the place where them put on your whole heap of food and them something there. Yeah, I want to eat lobster and all of them something and cock up my food because tourists can come here and cock up them food and enjoy themselves and enjoy the beach and enjoy the view. Me want to enjoy it too. But you're working like a slave. Buffet style, my sister. See it there. Buffet style. But working like a slave and never get the chance to enjoy what you have. You maybe pass off tomorrow so it go. And never get to enjoy it. Different people come enjoy where them never work in a day of them life and then come enjoy where you work for. I think different. I don't want nobody change my belief about myself. You understand? Yeah. Anyway, I one more something I want to talk about before I come down. Me one more something I want to talk about before I come down. Don't turn off. Do not. You see the comment section make it stay so. Because I know I got bombs out when you me say this. I know I got bombs out. Hey, me no business with Jabass and D, you know. Me no business with Jabass and D. Jabass and D is something different. Hey. I see love is in the air. Me say love. Me no know what I want to see. Me see love. Love not in her ear. You don't see nothing in her love. Me see love a go on. Me see love a happen. Me see feelings a develop. Yeah, me hear wedding bell too. Hey, we go eat cake and yam duck meat. Alright, yes, Annie, I never believe in saving money and not enjoying life. Right there, so baby. You have to enjoy life. I'm telling you. You have to enjoy life. Yeah. I love what I go on. But we could take our time and not put our mouth in it because if we put our mouth in it too much, you know it go already. But I see something I build up. And I see she a blush. That one like you see she a blush. I be a blush, me see the blush and them something there. And guess what? Them look cute together. Yeah. One and upon the up talk truth. Them look cute together. When I look upon them, I say like no, they deserve all the love. Of course, they deserve all the love. But what you know? When I want to hear the joke, so you know, say D feisty, right? You know, say D lip kin up so. D have one look of pokey lip, and I'm out. She ring, yo, she face your fudge, and Jabass, right? Jabass. No, at the next one, and I nothing about himself. So tell me when two facey people link up, how it go. One night, I see D the panic car top, right? I see D give Jabass one blood. I see D give Jabass one blood clad licking him back. Boop. Me did one laugh, but me if I move, me couldn't laugh me there. See? Like D can't take it no more. He comes out, boop it. lie to you. Me not lie, me say, me love your fudge. Me just move and go one side, go bust out me love because me I say, no. No. Me say, D, what is it? D1? Back to the way calling. Yeah, me could love out type, we leave out type people them. Yeah, relationship. Make it go and build, right? But here what guys. Here what, we're not gonna dwell upon that as we say, right? Everybody are gonna see everything. Love you and love you, baby. Everybody are see everything and everything will go on. You understand what I say? And I gonna say something, man. I know a lot of people maybe are gonna feel offensive by it, but I have big kids, right? And it's just the truth. Sometimes people can come from outer road, come treat. One, and big up yourself. Sometimes people can come, stranger can come from outer road, come treat. You're better than even all your kids. You understand me treat you. And it's just the truth. Alright? So sometimes you end up can gain another child from outside. Somebody, a stranger, will see you and love you and adore you. Even pay more mind to you more than even your pitney. You understand what I say? Right? A lot of people think I have to mind what I say because I talk about people business, I have to hold back. Right? Me see. Yo, let me tap, bro. Nobody can stop me from no matter where. Nobody has say, it's when you come on pan J. Remember me tell you. I don't know more talk. I seen do some things where I feel like even my kids them I go, no food not hot so. Where food at now? Which part?
You want to other people food now?
Me not trust you no.
I don't mean it a shame.
Me not trust you no. Let me taste it. Me a come. Cover the phone. On the trouble you stream?
No.
Cover the phone. Me a come. Me not trust you no. And that's for food hot. No food not hot so. If food cold like a puppy nose. Thank you, Annie. You have to treat people. Yeah. To treat people how they treat you. Write this song. May I tell you the truth? May I appreciate him. May I appreciate him a lot. May I appreciate him, and anytime I there around him, it's like it's a different vibe. It's a whole different vibe. A whole heap of people wish if them can come around him. I don't know praise where I praise them. You see me? A whole heap of people wish if them can come around him. Okay, so when you're there around him, it's a whole different vibe. Ain't that right? No, I'm glad if you were my mother. Oh God. Him come along and him see how him treat me. My youth them started to deal with me even more better. Because them see somebody out the road will treat them mother good. And them a learn half of that too. You understand what I say? Glad. But when they say real people around me, them a go fight me for that because them see what go on. For that because them see what go on. So brown. I don't give a fuck what they want to say about Jabass. Jabass a good somebody. It ain't gonna come back up. You know what me want to talk about? Me don't want to talk about that no more. Me don't want to talk about that no more. Me could leave that right there so I will continue to do what I have to do. Right, hold on. It ain't gonna come back up. It ain't gonna come back up. Hold on. Anna love you, Annie. Anna love me. Anna jealous. Anna break out her thing. Anna love me, but Anna just have too much jealousy in her. Anna have too much jealousy in her. When me there around Anna, I feel like I have to walk on eggshell. I don't know what. I'm afraid to say something. And it's just the truth. I mean, not nobody come and a vex, right? When me there around Anna, I feel like I walk on eggshell. You know? And I like when me their own Chanel them or me their own Wingy or Zoe. You know what me I say? I know TT and me can come and say, hey girl, go take a pick up. She will beg so over simple that. She will beg so over simple that. Me I turn on and say, I will give a big stone in your foot, you know. And me I turn on and say, Chanel, you see your forehead bigger and your lip, hey girl, move for yourself. And Chanel with the part, laugh off of me. And then Chanel come back or ramp with me. When me there on Anna, it feel like me I walk on eggshell like that. When me I say, I'm not saying nothing bad about my daughter, right? Sometimes I want to make it bad because I want to put things in the comment section. What I said, what me said, right? And well, I'm not going to read the comments in it. Me said, me have to walk on eggshell around her because I don't, me I try off to deal with her. Or me can run joke with the rest of them. Me cannot run joke with she. She's so much different. She will take things serious. You understand me? She will take things serious. I'm not saying anything bad. I'm saying me have to know how me I move. You understand? Alright, me have to try to be careful. Because me no want by later on, me go run one joke. And she go say, Mommy, me never like you call me girl. Me with there in her house. Me there in her house, right? And me say, hey girl, come here. I look a girl, me not ramp there, you know. And she would just take that as a she would take that, say me insult her. And me just have to know what me I do. And it make me feel a way. But me I try to get used to her on a level where we can always smile together. Keep that smile on our face. But I want her to love me for me. Love me for me. Remember how I saw your mother stay. You know your mommy. You know your mommy have her little style and rate. Just smile. Alright, let me tell you something. If Anna in the house now, you'd come like a she at the pastor or the mother. Hey, should I be like the mother at the house? But too miserable, you know? And you have a thing where she do. You get me? Right? That's she. But she's a drive. While she have to go up on live. I have to go up on live. No keep on and tell me. Yeah. She full of ambition bad. She have her thing where she no run joke about certain things. Like you that they run her and you have to know the joke them where you run. Cause she no run certain joke. You know? When I cook today, she no run certain jokes. Certain jokes she no play. You know rather run certain joke around her. You get me? Yeah, but otherwise, when she go up on her fun side, she nice. When she really ready for have fun, you have a laugh. She have fun side her. But she have her time when she just draw back in her little shell. But sometimes, you better be weird because she will look on you and tell you, say, Mommy, don't go around that girl there. And me not listen to her, you know. Me not listen to nothing what she say. And she said, Mommy, you hear me warn you? Don't go around that smaddy there. And by later on to back foot and me see him wanna come back and say, Jesus Christ, I remember smaddy where they tell me if you not go around. And Ray, she said, Mommy, you hear me tell you. Me tell you if you not go around them people there. Because them people are not good. Hey. And I not trust easy. And I not trust easy. You could have come with $1 million zillion dollar. You could have come like your pastor. And remember me tell you, feel like say Anna go believe you. Go to Anna and tell Anna boy you go pray for him. Anna go tell yourself you go pray for yourself first. Seriously. No, I believe nothing you say. She not trust easy. Yeah, October she born October the 18th. October the 18th she born. She not play. So she just different. Just different. That's all with Anna. Anna just different. The thing is I feel like Anna for just let in a little bit. I'm not saying, you know, me just can't say, you know, but just a little bit. Every circle this small, I feel like Anna for widen it little tip more and just free yourself. Because, you know, let go a little bit. Let go a little bit. And she good. Uno not trust easy. Yeah. But enough time on the right though. Enough time on the depend track with trusting people. Cause enough time she warn me about people and me come back around and I tell her, she say, you see me did warn you? And me tell her something too, she's straightforward. When me tell her she's straightforward, she will come and say, oi, me not like you around my mother, you know. Let me tell you the truth. You say you, me not like you around my mother. I know you can stress out my mother. You me a want, you know. That's how she stay. Alright, you see like how me we did, you know, when me a play up with Smaddius, me did a play with Smaddius. She would just stand up and I look so. And I better spend, like she always tell her, spend some time with her, spend some time with her, spend some time with her. But I have to up and down. Me know nobody a give me nothing. I must say I'm me one, you know. I don't have no man to help me, you know. And just me and Father God, so I have to go, I have to do everything I can do for put something on the table. So while but I find some time to spend some time with her, you know. I find the time. Think I'm supposed to go down my house to stay with them. I go down my house to say I can spend one 2 days with her. She and Daniel. You see me? And Daniel a nice boy, guys. Me not lie to you, no. Daniel a nice blood clot boy. And he come like him, yeah, you know, him trigger finger, put on him trigger finger. And him love chops, him love the baby bad. Jesus Christ, at the penny they grow in a hand. Are in a hand the baby grow, you know? Yeah, start cooking again. Yeah, man, all of that are come together, guys. Nice place, me go in and start the cooking. He love the baby bad.